My bloody trainers.
Nah, bun this. Let's switch up the vibe.
Say she love my swag, say she love my bands. Skirt off in the front, skirt off in the bands. You don't feel my pain, you don't understand. I don't pop no pack, I don't pop no Zan. Say she love my swag, say she love my bands. Skirt off in the front, skirt off in the bands. You don't feel my pain, you don't understand. Hey, yo, got the drugs on me. Yeah, that bitch with me, and she on my team. Hit me on myself, 713. Say he need a verse, I can't wait for free. I don't pop no pearl, I don't pop no Zan. Say she love my swag, say she love my bands. Skirt off in the farm, skirt off in the bands. You don't feel my pain, you don't understand. Need a bad bitch, need a goth hoe. I got mad guap, I got mad dough. Need a bad bitch, need a goth hoe. I got mad guap, I got mad dough. I don't pop no perk, I don't pop no Zan. Say she love my swag, say she love my bands. Skirt off in the front, skirt off in the bands. You don't feel my pain, you don't understand.
How do you feel about this?
Well, this is pretty insane, bro. But basically, right, everyone's been nicking, and I'm like, oh my god, I can't believe this stuff.
You nut job.
Am I?
You are, look at you, you're fucking standing on a weird thing.
Yeah, I'm standing on a weird thing, like the people in the pink boat, yes? It's not as weird as the pink boat, is it? Let's be honest. Or do you find that not, you don't find that a bit unusual? A pink boat would tell the truth? Seriously, I am struggling. We love you! We love you! We love you! We love you! We love you!
Fucking isolate.
I don't like this age, okay? We can try and sort of
Oh, they're arrested
name of...
See, you can ignore this, but the thing about truth is, it can be denied, not avoided. So I'm sorry, future generations. I'm sorry that our footprint became a sinkhole and not a garden. I'm sorry that we paid so much attention to ISIS and very little to how fast the ice is melting in the Arctic. I'm sorry we doomed you, and I'm sorry we couldn't find another planet in time to move to. You know what? Cut the beat. I'm not sorry. This future, I do not accept it. Because an error does not become a mistake until you refuse to correct it. We can redirect this. How? Let me suggest that if a farmer sees a tree that is unhealthy, they don't look at the branches to diagnose it, they look at the root. So like that farmer, we must look at the root, and not to the branches of government, not to the politicians run by corporations. We are the root, we are the foundation. This generation, it is up to us to take care of this planet. It is our only home. We must globally warm our hearts and change the climate of our souls and realize that we are not apart from nature, we are a part of nature. And to betray nature is to betray us. To save nature is to save us. Because whatever you're fighting for, racism or poverty, feminism, gay rights, or any type of equality, it won't matter in the least. Because if we don't all work together to save the environment, we will be equally extinct. Sorry.